Hello everyone, I am Vikrant Reddy and today we are going to see how to deploy a static website using Azure Portal. And my team members are Tarun, Mahalakshmi and Yashwant. Tarun is the developer of our static website. Mahalakshmi has collected all the information, pictures regarding our project, and Yashwant has done all the documentation and description part. And now I am going to tell you how to deploy a static website using Azure Portal. So firstly, we have to create an Azure account and then we have to log in it and firstly to deploy a static website we need to create a resource. So click on create a resource. In the resources we need to create a storage account. So search for storage account. Click on storage account. Click on create. Just keep subscription as free trial and resource group. I have to create a new one. So click on create new and let active 567. So click on OK. Keep storage name as web. Region keep it as East US. Performance standard. Redundancy geo redundant storage. And click on next. And in the advanced section we need to enable allow cross tenant replication. So click on that and then directly you can click on review plus create, because remaining all networking, data protection, encryption uh, can be our default settings. So click on create. Validation has been done. So we are initializing deployment. Deployment is in progress. Yeah, our storage account has been deployed successfully. Then go to resources and search for static website. Click on static website. Here click on enable. In the index document name, keep our index document name as index.html, and in the error document path keep it as 404 and click on save. So here we can see search for containers. Click on web. Click on upload. We need to upload all the files of our static website. Click on browse for files. All the files of our static website been selected. Click on open. Click on upload. So all the files of our static website has been uploaded successfully, as you can see. So in the search bar, click on static website. So click on overview. Go to resources and search for static website. And now copy the primary endpoint link and paste it in the tab. So as you can see, our website is live. Our website is live. So next, go to overview, search for data protection. Click on data protection. So enable Azure backup for blobs. In backup vault, you have to create a new backup vault. Keep it as web. Please keep it as web vault. Resource group. Locally redundant backup storage is locally redundant. And click on create. Successfully deployed our backup vault. Now click on manage identity, Azure role assignments. Click on add role assignment. Give scope, select a scope as a resource group, subscription free trial, and resource group is web dev 567 as we have named earlier. And select the role as owner. Save. Do data protection again. Click on backup policy. So we have to create a new backup policy. Give policy name as webware. And click on review plus create. Click on create. Successfully backup policy has been created. Now a new policy has been created. Now click on save. It's taking some time to load. Successfully validated Azure backup settings. Submitting the deployment. So yeah, data protection settings have been successfully updated. Now we are going with Azure AI services. So search for Azure AI services. Click on Azure AI services and search for Q&A makers. Here we can see Q&A makers. Click on create. As you can see, default free trial. So then click on language resource. New tab has been opened. Click on custom question answering. Click on continue to create your resource. Resource group, keep it as M567. Region is East US. And instance we can keep as web. Pricing tab. Not taking the web, so we have to keep another name. So it's showing already new, so we will give a different name, like I have given instant name as my name. And pricing type, so your pricing type can be 1k calls per minute. Click on checkbox. By checking this box, I certify that I have reviewed and acknowledged the terms the responsible AI notice. Just click on that. Click on review plus create. Click on create. Deployment is in progress. It's taking some time to get deployed. Yeah, deployment succeeded. Deployment has been successfully completed. Now click on go to resource group. Click on the language. And click on get started with language studio. Click on sign in. So as you directory as a default directory, subscription free trial, resource type language, if that language, and resource name, give it as our language name. Done. Click on create new. Click on custom question answering. Now so we have to select the language for all of our project. Select as English. Click on next. Our project name, let be web design and web development courses. Description has web design and web development. So click on next. Click on create project. The loading project is successful. Now click on add source. Click on files. Have to upload file. So after loading project is successful, now click on add source. Upload files. Click on source name. Click on add file. Source name as chatbot. Just click on that. Choose file. We have to choose the Excel file of our chatbot. Questions and answers. So click on open. Select that and add on. Successfully added. Successfully the Excel file has been uploaded. Now click on deploy knowledge base. Click on deploy. Successfully is added sources. Click on deploy. The knowledge base is now deployed. Now we have to create a bot. Click on create a bot. In custom deployment, choose the resource group. Bot automatically named as Vikrant Reddy. Bot creation type new user. Create new user assigned managed identity. Click on next. Here click on create new app service plan. Go to deploy knowledge base. Click on settings. Click on resources. Here you can see a key, resource key. Just copy this key. You go to custom deployment and paste in language resource key. As you can see the key, which is a cipher, it is in Hypertext. So click on review plus create. So click on create. Initializing deployment. Deployment is in progress. deployment succeeded. Yeah, successfully deployed. Now click on go to resource group and click on yeah. We have to click on show hidden types and click on Azure bot type, Azure bot type, and here click on channels. So as you can see, our direct line and web chat is healthy, status as healthy. So scroll down and you can see Microsoft Teams. Click on Microsoft Teams. You have to agree. Click on agree and click on apply. Microsoft Teams channel has been enabled, and now in the messaging, and now close this and click on web chat, click on default site, and you need to copy all the embedded code. Successfully copied. Go to storage account, click on containers, click on web. Here click on chatbot.html, click on edit, the iframe src. Here we need to paste the previous embedded code. Has been successfully pasted. Click on save, click on save, click on preview, and now we need to create on the bot, Azure bot. So now we have to click on bot, the Azure bot. In the Azure bot, click on channels, click on web chat, click on default site, and copy the secret key. Copy the secret key. Now go to storage account, containers, search for containers, Click on web, chatbot.html, click on chatbot.html, click on edit. Here you can see your secret here. So in this place we, we need to paste our secret key. So our secret key has been successfully pasted. Click on save. Successfully saved, as you can see. Now close the box and go to home. Click on storage account. Search for static website. Now you can see our primary endpoint. Just copy it and paste it in your web browser. So you can see our website, Web Innovations. So our website is all about learning about web design and development courses. So there are plenty of courses available online to help you get started and improve your skills in this field. So our courses are Bootcamp course, HTML course, CSS course, Django course, Azure, Angular JS course, MongoDB, JavaScript, PHP, React JS, and .NET course. So you can see overview of our course for web design, web development. So uses of web design. So in our website you can even log in so that you can save your progress. So up to what extent you have learned, which course you have learned at what extent. So we have chatbot. You can click hello. Click on what is HTML. You can ask questions to this bot. As you can see, it gave what is HTML and simple abbreviation of HTML. Like that, you can give many questions, whatever doubts you have in web development and web design. So we are picking what is web development. You can see. So like this, our bot helps you in each and every question. Our bot will answer you each and every question of web development and web design course. So this is our project, Web Innovations. Thank you.